Hello, welcome to WineDirect Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to process orders through the admin panel. There's a couple of ways to get an order started, so we're going to take a look first at creating an order by first searching for the contact, and then we're going to create an order by first opening an order and then searching for the contact. So first off, let's go to our Contacts tab, and we're going to pull up a contact. We can scroll down and we can select the Create Order icon under the order history, or we can select in the action menu to manage the store of the contact. From there, you can see that we've been pulled back to the order history list where we can create an order. Once we create an order, the system will take us to the Orders tab under Store. If we decide at this point to cancel, we'll still be in the Store Orders tab where we can create an order by first opening the order and then searching for the contact. In this case, what we'll do is we'll add an order and then we'll search for the contact here. I recommend that you search for the contact in the same way here that you do when you're looking up the contact, by only adding the first few letters of both the first and last name to give yourself a short list and to pull that contact in. The first screen that you're going to see is the billing information. To operate an order through the admin panel, you will need to make sure that all of the pertinent information, including date of birth, is filled out for this contact. If you create notes, bear in mind that these notes will be visible on the order report, on the order receipt, as well as any email communication to the customer. So please bear in mind that this should be very appropriate information, and these notes are visible to the customer. You'll define the order type, whether or not it's an offsite or an onsite order, the inventory pool that will be decremented from this order. If you're running a campaign, the sales associate responsible for this order, and then the sales attribute and source code. This is a really great way of adding additional information to your orders. If, for example, you wanted to track where your orders were coming from, and you have tour groups available as a sales attribute, you would be able to use the source code or the free text field to add what tour group or which driver of a tour group was bringing you those customers. The nice thing about this is it allows you to track where your orders are coming in from and help develop those inter-business relationships. From there, we're going to go to the Ship Customer. This is where we're going to define where we're shipping this order to. We can ship to the billing address, we can define a new address on file, or we can select a pickup location. At this point, we'll have access to any of the shipping addresses on the customer's account, so we can select a shipping address and then select the Items tab to add items to the shopping cart. We're going to go ahead and select the green check button here. We can search the products by SKU or name, or as always, if we leave these blank or at their default settings and select search, we will be able to navigate through our entire catalog. From here, we'll select the quantity that we would like to add. We also have the ability to do a price override. Once you've selected the product or products that you would like to add to the shopping cart, simply scroll down to the bottom and select the Submit button. The green pencil icon is an indicator that you can make an edit to one of these fields. If I want to edit the product, I can simply select the green pencil and do so here. Edit the handling, edit the sales tax. I can do so by selecting that green pencil icon. If I would like to remove any of the coupons used, I can do so individually by selecting the red X, or I can remove all promos from the order by selecting the red X here. If I don't have any coupons in this order, I can add coupons by selecting the green button. In this case, when you're running an order through the admin panel, you will need to know the coupon code to be able to add the promo to the admin panel order. From here, we're going to select the Shipping tab. We will be able to select what shipping type we would like to employ based on the shipping strategy that we have set as default in our shipping strategy section. We can also do a price override on the shipping here. We can set a future ship date, and we can define whether or not we would like to bypass fulfillment. If we want to bypass fulfillment, it's because we're going to be shipping it out from in-house. Next is our Payment tab. Here's where we're going to define what payment type will be used to process the order. We can create a card, or we can use a one-time credit card as well. From there, we're going to select the Next button, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the Process Order option, and you will have processed an order through the admin panel. See you in the next video.